How do you like to pass your time?
I love reading books and playing guitar. How about you?
I enjoy painting and going for long walks. Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, my favourite book is To Kill a Mockingbird. What about your favourite painting style?
I love Impressionism. It's so vibrant and full of life.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a graphic designer. I create logos and advertisements. What about you?
I'm a software engineer. I develop mobile applications. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I love it. It's very creative and every project is different. And you?
I enjoy my job too, especially solving complex problems.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I do. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. How about you?
I have a small family. It's just my parents and me. Do you live with your family?
No, I live on my own, but we meet often. What about you?
I live with my parents. We're very close.
Are you studying or working?
I'm currently studying at university. I'm majoring in biology. How about you?
I finished my studies last year. Now I'm working as a marketing specialist. How do you find your studies?
I really enjoy them, especially the lab work. Do you miss university?
Sometimes, but I'm happy with my job. It's challenging and rewarding.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going hiking with some friends. How about you?
I'm planning to relax and maybe watch some movies. Do you hike often?
Yes, I try to go at least once a month. It's a great way to enjoy nature. Do you like hiking?
I do, but I don't go very often. I prefer indoor activities.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping, especially for clothes. How about you?
I like shopping for gadgets and books. Do you shop online or in stores?
Mostly online, it's convenient. And you?
I prefer online shopping too, but sometimes I visit stores to see the products in person.